Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at the Chicken Road app, a game that's been making the rounds online. But the big question is it a legit game worth your time or just another scam app? Let's find out. In Chicken Road, the idea is really simple. You play as a chicken that keeps moving forward and your job is to guide it through the path without getting roasted. The controls are basic. Tap or swipe to dodge obstacles, avoid traps, and keep progressing. At first, it feels like a casual light game, but the longer you play, the more challenging it gets, making you want to try again and again. The design is colorful, fun, and easy to pick up even if you're just looking to pass a few minutes. Now, let's talk about the part most people are wondering. Is it legit? From my experience, Chicken Road is indeed a playable game with working mechanics. It's not one of those apps that just flashes ads without any real gameplay. However, like many free apps, you'll notice ads pop up here and there. The game itself is simple entertainment. Don't expect huge rewards or payouts, but as a game, it does what it promises. So, is Chicken Road legit or a scam? From what I've tested, it's a legit, fun, and slightly addictive little game. Just keep your expectations realistic. It's more about quick entertainment than anything else. If you want a light game to kill time, it's worth downloading. Just stay sharp, keep walking, and remember, don't get roasted.